If you want to change your name in Minecraft, the exact method for doing so will differ slightly depending on if you want to do it in the Java edition of the game, that's the classic edition on PC, or on Bedrock Edition, which will be found on consoles, mobile devices, and also in the desktop Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So let's start off with how exactly you do it on the Java version first. You want to head over to this website first and foremost, and then sign in. On the website, find the Minecraft Java Edition box, then you want to click on the profile name option and type in your new Minecraft name in the little window that pops up. And just like that, next time you restart a game, your brand new username will apply. Keep in mind, however, that you can only change it once every 30 days, so make sure it's not misspelled in any way, or you have to wait a whole month before you can change it again. Now, when it comes to the Bedrock Edition, your name there is tied to Xbox Gamertag, even when you're not playing on Xbox, and while you can change it for the first time for free, after that they're going to charge you $10 to do so, so choose wisely. First, you want to head off to the xbox.com website, and then click on your profile in the top right. Then from there, select Xbox profile. Then want to click on a little pencil next to your existing name. Then you can enter your new gamertag. If it's not available, you are going to have to go back and choose something else. However, if it is, then it'll allow you to proceed, and then you'll be able to either change it for free if you've never done it before, or it will then prompt you to pay the $10 for the gamertag name change. So those are the two main ways in which you can change your name on Minecraft depending on which version of the game you play, that being either Java or Bedrock. And again, if you have done it on Bedrock, it then changes across all the different platforms you may play Bedrock on, be it again on desktop, on any console including Xbox or other consoles, and also on any mobile devices. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.